Can you come get your hat, honey?
We need to wait for him a message.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it.
Yes.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing, sweetie?
No, don't touch that, please.
Filling out paperwork?
Well, yes. I need to be done with this so I can go home.
Did you hear my message?
No, not yet, sweetie. Where? On the camera or where?
On the camera.
Oh, no, I haven't, sweetie. Like, I was inside the building, and inside the building I have no service at all.
Why?
You hear me?
Yes?
Okay.
Are you coming home soon?
Yes, sweetie. I just need to finish this right now.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye. I love you.